Hi guys, the time is unlimited. Now you're wondering, sir, everybody says time is limited, but I say time is unlimited because it's not you're wasting the time, but you're wasting energy. The energy is very, very limited. In fact, scientifically also, our energy is measured in terms of kilocalories. We all know that. Every day, a normal human being have to take, there must be a prescribed intake of calories. Only then you can give that calories outside. Like only then you can use your energy. But what we are doing every day, generally what I observed many, what they are doing, including myself, of course, even I have to include myself also, because I also waste lots of energy. Suppose you're watching a YouTube video, let us assume some time pass video you're watching, and you're spending some half an hour, 1 hour or 1.5 hours on that particular show or a web series in Netflix or some movie in Amazon Prime, something you're watching, you're not actually wasting the time, but you're using the energy. Have you observed whenever you watched a new movie or a new web series, as soon as you finish watching it, you feel like sleeping. You don't feel like reading the book. You don't feel like studying for exams. You don't feel like working for your dreams or goals. You feel tired. Is it because of the time that you're feeling tired? Definitely not. It's because the energy. Whenever you are giving your attention to something, you're not giving your time, but you're giving your attention you're giving your energy, which is very limited. We have to use our energy very wise. I'm not saying you should not do time pass things. You have to do. We are human beings. We are not computers. We must have fun. We must be happy and joyful. We must live the life. But at what cost? It's not at the cost of your future life. Getting it? So you definitely have to, watch certain entertainment related stuff for sure. But limit the time slots that you're dedicating to it. Whenever you watch 1.5 2 hours of a movie show, a movie or a web series, you naturally reduce your productivity and capability by that much of time and energy, both. So observe in every day, like in your everyday routine, observe where you are devoting your energy. Identify what are the factors that are taking away your energy. Why you are feeling tired, question it. So identify the major things that draws your energy and start controlling it. Everyone asks me, sir, how to control mobile addiction, how to control. If you want to control, first you must know the reason. You must identify where you are wasting it. Where you're wasting. See, mobile phone addictions, accessories, automobiles addiction, that's not something wrong. It's not wrong. But how much amount of your energy you're investing in that? That is what very needed. That is what very much needed. Identify how much energy you are deploying there. If you feel that is something not required, you take it off. In fact, time is representation of energy. We are simply calling it as time. But actually it is not time, it's energy. We are representing in terms of even this one, Elon Musk, Nikola Tesla, they also speak about not time but energy. They talk everything in the dimension of energy. Same rule apply in your life also. In fact, one beautiful quotation that prompted me to do this video is of Sridhar Nallamuthu sir quotation. Anything that controls our attention also controls our ability. Very simple. If YouTube, a comedy show, a web series is attracting your attention, it is indirectly attracting your capability also. The YouTube videos that we watch, the web series in Netflix we watch, the movie we watch in Amazon Prime, as a pastime or time pass, draws our attention away from us towards it. So it is your choice where to use your energy. Suppose if you want to become a filmmaker, you definitely have to do that web series. You have to watch web series. You have to watch movies a lot because your life dream is related to that. But if you're not, you don't want to become a filmmaker, then you should not be doing that. So what you want to become, there you have to, like force your energy towards it. You have to force your energy towards the driving factor, the goal. So this I just wanted to share you. See, you need not control anything in your life. If you understand the truths and facts about yourself, about your energy, about your time, naturally everything will be controlled. So when someone asks me, sir, what are the tips to avoid smartphone? Don't avoid it. Identify where you are diverting your time and energy. Naturally you control it. Once upon a time I used to watch daily 2 movies, but now I skipped, because simply now I'm focusing my entire energy towards my further improvement, enhancement. So the moment I realize it, the moment I'm focusing, the moment I sit before a system, I only work for my upliftment. Only the phones or the whatever, the YouTube, whatever, I only look for time pass. Hardly 1 or 2 hours I will dedicate in my entire energy. I hope this video helped you. Okay, so also give your any tips, if at all you have, in the comment section of the video. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.